Welcome back to the channel. Um, Looking ahead to this match where Guadeloupe takes on Jamaica on Friday. Looking back now to take a look at Guadeloupe's recent form. In the Concacaf Gold Cup, the last match, first round, they lost 3-1 to Costa Rica. Before that, there was the nil-all draw with Guatemala, which they won on penalties to qualify for the tournament. Then prior to that, they beat Bahamas 2-0 in a Gold Cup qualifier. They had an international friendly against Martinique, which they won 2-1, and they destroyed the Turks and Caicos 10-0. All right. Now, as far as Jamaica, the last five matches reading aren't as pretty, seeing that there was a lot of experimentation being done with the makeup of the team. So we all know that we beat Suriname 2-0 in the first match of the Gold Cup. Before that, there was that embarrassing 4-0 loss to Japan under 23s. Then there was that okay performance against Serbia, um, where it ended 1-1 a week prior to the loss to Japan. Then we lost to USA with a pretty much makeshift team when the players were on strike. And before that, we had the two games against Saudi Arabia. One in which we lost, and the other one that we won. So the form hasn't been as consistent. As you can see, Guatemala has played. I wouldn't say I've played easier opponents, and I've, due to that, probably have a better record coming into this match. But I'd still see Jamaica as the favorites. All right. Now I want to take a closer look at Guatemala and just to take a look probably at their last 10 or so games. So I'm going to switch over to SofaScore. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the stats from their 3 Gold Cup matches so far. So they've played 3 matches, scored 4 goals, conceded 4 goals, created 1 assist. In attacking, they average 1.3 goals per game. Goal conversion is 57%. They haven't had any penalties. They haven't scored any free kicks. They've scored 1 goal goal inside the box from 3 attempts. 0 of 5 from outside the box. They've had 0 left foot goals, 1 right foot goal, 0 headed goals. Big chances per game 0.3. Big chances missed per game 0.0. Total shots per game 2.3. Shots on target per game 1.0. Shots off target per game 1.3. Successful dribbles per game 3.0. Corners per game 0.7. Hit the woodwork 0 times and had 0 counter attacks in those 3 games. Ball possession, they only had 38%. Accurate passes per game 96 at 80.3%. Accurate passes in their own half 54 at 86.6%. Accurate passes in the opposition half 43 at 69.6%. Accurate long balls 7.0 at 56.8%. Accurate crosses 0.3 at 9.1%. All right. Not very impressed by the stats so far, if I'm going to be honest with you. But let's continue and look at the defending stats. They've had clean sheets 0, as we said earlier. Goals conceded per game 1.3. Tackles per game 4.0. Interceptions per game 6.0. Clearances per game 4.7. Saves per game 0.7. Errors leading to shots 0. Errors leading to goals 1. penalties committed 0, penalty goals conceded 0, clearances off the line 0, last man tackles 0. Now the other miscellaneous stats: duels won per game 17.7 at 57.6%, ground duels won 13 at 60.9%. That's not bad. Aerial duels won 4.7 at 50%. Possession loss per game 37.3 times. Offsides per game 0.17. Fouls per game 3.7. Yellow cards per game 0.17. Red cards per game, or red cards in those 3 games, 1. Um, yeah, so now we look at the stats. If you go by the stats, you would think that Jamaica would have nothing to worry about. But if you've seen the team play, you know that they're a gritty team that's able to grind out a result. But with that being said, I really expect Jamaica to win this game um, comfortably. And if we don't, that should ring alarm bells and probably give us something to think about. But yeah, we should get this one in the bag and move on to 6 points before we face Costa Rica in the final game of the group. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below in the comment section. And guys, remember to like and subscribe and share it so other people can see it. See you next time.